This is Craig Pence, and I'm the Senior Accounting Instructor at Highland Community College. I've put this presentation together for entering accounting and business students. You'll find some important information here about our program and about the profession in general that I am sure will be helpful to you, but you will still need to follow up by talking to your advisor or to me and by doing some additional research on your own before you set up your schedule and begin work in our accounting program. Let's begin by looking at job opportunities in accounting. Then we'll examine Highland's accounting program in depth and see how the coursework at Highland can help prepare you for a rewarding career. Why choose accounting as your major field of study? Well, one good reason is the fact that there are many job opportunities in accounting. A good source for career information is the Bureau of Labor's Occupational Outlook Handbook. This is the screen you will see if you choose Accounting and Auditors in the handbook search field. You can access this resource by going to the web address circled in red here on the page, www.bls.gov. The handbook can be used to research thousands of career areas. We're looking at the top of the Accounting and Auditors page here, and there's a lot more information about the field further down on the page. This page pertains to career areas in accounting that generally require a bachelor's degree for entry. Why don't you take a moment now and read the report's summary about job prospects for accountants and auditors. We can also choose bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing clerks as a career area. These jobs do not require more than a certificate or an associate's degree in accounting. While job growth is expected to decline a bit, there will still be millions of these jobs available in coming years. Income is an important consideration when selecting a career. The following information about wages for accountants and bookkeepers was taken from the handbook. Take a moment to read the summary about wage levels in the field. Use the pause button if you'd like additional time. A final reason to choose accounting is job satisfaction. Many accounting or related jobs are with companies, nonprofit organizations, or government agencies that provide excellent working conditions and benefits to their employees. However, it is important that you actually like doing the work in order to feel satisfied with your job. Accounting is detailed and precise, and if you like working with numbers, drawing conclusions about them, and communicating with others about the meaning of the numbers, then you may find that accounting really works for you. There are 8 accounting courses available in our program. All, with the exception of federal income tax accounting, are available as online courses. Note, though, that federal income tax accounting may be taken elsewhere through an Illinois Virtual Campus Network institution or at another school and then transferred to Highland. Online courses are taken independently using a computer and the internet, and no campus visits are required in order to take them. They're offered throughout the year, and students may start the online courses at any time they wish during the year. Accounting students at Highland have several certificate and degree program options to choose among. In fact, some students even complete multiple certificates as they work toward the associate's degree. For example, a student might complete the required courses for the accounts clerk certificate, and then, by taking a few more courses on top of the ones already completed, qualify for the accounting certificate. Then, by taking the remaining required courses, complete the associate's degree as well. There is no requirement that students complete a certificate or degree program while at Highland. Some students gain the employment skills they want by taking only 1 or 2 courses. However, the program's required courses have been chosen because they will make you a well-rounded employee, so it will be beneficial to take them all. Also, having a certificate or degree to put on your resume can be helpful when looking for a job or when changing jobs. Some employers require that applicants have an associate's degree or certificate, and some even require a 4-year bachelor's degree in order to be considered for the job. Students often wonder about the difference between the Associate of Science degree and the Associate of Applied Science degree. Essentially, the Applied Science degree program emphasizes the occupational courses that relate primarily to employment and accounting. The Associate of Science degree program requires many more general elective science and humanities courses and not as many occupational courses. If you're primarily interested in obtaining job-specific training in accounting and you do not plan to transfer to a 4-year campus, the Applied Science degree is probably the better choice. If you are planning to continue on for a bachelor's degree, the Associate of Science degree program is probably best. However, you should discuss this thoroughly with your advisor before making a decision. Students often wonder whether completing a certificate program is worthwhile. A certificate is similar to a degree in that the student receives a document that looks like a diploma and it certifies the student's learning. There are 4 factors that you should consider if you're thinking about completing one of the certificate programs. First, the courses that you take count in the certificate program and toward the next degree or certificate that you complete. In other words, you're able to pick up the certificates as you work your way through the associate degree program without having to take any additional courses at all. Secondly, each certificate that you complete adds an additional line to your resume and enhances your professional image. Even if you complete the associate degree, your resume will still be more impressive if it lists 1 or more certificates. Thirdly, since they can be completed quickly, you'll be adding lines to your resume that can help you land a job in the field as you work toward the next certificate or toward your associate's degree. Experience in an office can really enhance your learning, and that experience also adds another valuable line to your resume. Lastly, some students may find that 1 or more of the certificates are enough to reach their employment goals, and this can save them the time and money it would take to complete an associate's degree. It's always advisable, though, to complete as much education as you can, since more education usually results in higher income. The following is a set of questions that students often ask, so I thought I would list them here and provide an answer. Number 1, how difficult are accounting courses? Well, when you learn accounting, you're learning a set of interrelated processes and procedures. And each new step in the course builds on the last one taken. So it's very important to master each topic as you progress through the course. Most students find this kind of learning to be challenging, but also rewarding. One thing is sure, doing well in accounting class requires practice. So it'll be necessary to apply yourself and invest time and effort in your course. Number 2, how much math do I need? You only need to be able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide using decimals, fractions, and percentages in order to do accounting coursework. You'll also be able to use a calculator in doing homework and on the exams. Number 3, are online courses easier than on-campus courses? Well, the answer to this should generally be no, but it really depends on the student and the course. Since online courses require you to work independently, setting your own schedule, reading the textbook, viewing online presentations like this one, and doing homework, online courses place demands on you that you don't have in on-campus courses. However, they also provide you with flexibility that you don't have on campus. You can learn when you have the time to do it, not just at the scheduled class meeting times. You still have the opportunity to ask questions and get help via email, and you don't lose time and money commuting to campus. This ends our presentation, and I hope it has been helpful to you. If you have further questions, you may use the following links and phone numbers to contact your advisor or to reach me. Goodbye for now, and I'll look forward to seeing you in accounting class.